There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S. Divas.
What's good? What's up? Happy New Year, everyone. What's good? YouTube fam. What's up, divas? What's up, divos? What's up, 2022? What it do? I'm here. Hope you guys are all having like a really great day. And I hope it's all positive vibes because this is definitely a new year and we don't need no bull crap. We don't need we don't need no drama, especially at the beginning of the year. So I hope you guys all are recovered, got your New Year's resolution goals and set, ready, set, go. So first of all, the wig that I got going on here today is by one of my favorite companies, which is Myfirstwig. You know, they always have like these amazing, great wigs. And you know what? I'm really digging my setup today. I know it's just like definitely off topic, but I have been preparing so hard to start going live with my real talk. So I have definitely been preparing. I have been watching videos to make sure that my live presentation is, great. I want to be on here and not be prepared. Like sometimes I get seriously unprepared. So I have been, just practicing my online presentation. It's a lot of work doing YouTube and a lot of damn lights too, okay? One of my favorite wig companies, which is Myfirstwig, I was about to say RPG Show, which they run neck and neck because, they're the same company, they're affiliate companies. So I love those two companies in a whole and they have really great products. Myfirstwigs has some amazing units, especially for beginners. If you don't really know much about, preparing a wig or putting one on, they got you covered. Hairlines always be flawless, invisible. Can't even tell you wearing a wig, might forget that you got on a wig. But normally when I do a video, I always have on one of these right here, silicone bands. I used to wear these right here, which is the wig grips. And let me tell y'all, when these first came out, I love them. This was the very first one that I purchased, the very first one. This is the original wig grip band. Now, as you see, it has been nip tucked, side tucked, and, brought in because it did lose its stretch. But the Velcro is still good. I love these for wearing like my head wraps because it will keep it in place. But it also will keep your wig in place. But also what I noticed about these, I wouldn't really wear them with my wigs because they would always kind of wouldn't allow the wig to lay as flat as possible. Plus, the Velcro started snagging to the nape of my hairs. And it also got really, really hot. So then I moved aside to these silicone bands. I really did like them a lot because they're thinner. They allow your wig to sit as flat as possible. Plus, they do come in a variety of colors. I have white, I have beige, I have brown. But I did notice because they're silicone, they have the little bumps which help keep the band in place. But let me tell y'all, they will have your head sweaty. Okay, when I take them off, it is a little bit moisture. But I still wear it because I love this one the most. It keeps my little nape hairs from getting tucked into Velcro because there isn't any, and it helps my wigs lay a lot flatter. So these are definitely my favorites, and I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one that feels that way. They have a really great stretch, you guys. These are just really, really comfortable. Let me tell y'all know what I just said about Myfirstwig, how they just got the best products, especially for beginner products. And even if you're not a beginner girl, you can still get with the program. But damn, okay, silicone band with actual breathable holes in it. All throughout the band, you're going to see the actual grids, which are the little bumps, and you're also going to see that the entire silicone band has breathable holes, which will definitely help in the moisture onto your hair, your hairline, your scalp, girl. These are the breathable ones. This thing is daggone comfortable as ever. And this one right here that has the actual breathable, ventable holes in it is a must have. So I will link all of the information down below for this wig grip band, which you can find at Myfirstwigs, girl, okay? These definitely will allow your wig to lay flat. A lot of times with the wigs from Myfirstwigs, you don't have to adhere them. They don't really require much glue or hairspray. Become like pre-bleached as well as pre-plucked. I'm going to leave all of the information down below for each one of these products, you guys. They have loads of different products on their website that are really useful for first-time wig wearers as well as, girl, everyday wig wearer.
That little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Is you riding on a team? Got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I'm feeling like the man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can. Daily, baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the loan. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
Alright guys, you see the wig grip band. It does blend really nicely with the hairline. It's thinner, it's a lot more comfortable than the actual wig grips, and this is what it looks like underneath the lace. So it blends seamlessly. I do like the blend of it, but I really do like the silicone bands the most, especially for keeping your wig down. They just allow the wig to lay a lot flatter. So with this one being breathable, I'm really looking forward to this particular silicone band. Check out Myfirstwig. They have some really great tools for using while wearing a wig. And all I'm going to do is just smooth down the hairline so that it can lay as flat as possible. I'm not even going to be adhering this wig like with any type of hairspray or glue. I'm just going to wear it as is. Now this part right here, I'm just going to customize the wig and allow it to just be able to fit my own particular head circumference properly. So with that being said, I'm just going to cut over the ears a little bit because they were flapping. This is not going to destroy the wig. As you've seen, my hairline is now a lot more comfortable and it just fits properly. Now this part right here is optional. I love sideburns, so I'm gonna just create a couple sideburns, one on each side, okay? Just to do my normal, I'm just going to take my styling mousse from the Dollar Tree and just sculpt my baby hairs, or rather my sideburn hairs. Y'all see I'm going back to my old school days with the Aussie Instant Freeze Instant Hairspray. I love this stuff. This is all I ever used. Not to really apply a wig, but just to hold the hairstyle. And girl, I got 3 cans off of Amazon for like, I think $10, okay? But you have to look at yourself in the mirror and just be like, ooh, child, them eyebrows. I'm like really pleased with the eyebrows today. Like, so listen, I try to multitask at all times when I'm, when I'm styling the hair. I'm mostly quiet because I'm either listening to music or I'm watching something on my phone. I don't want to get demonetized what I'm listening to. So Christmas was great for me. I got me a pair of these, but girl, I'm gonna just put these in so that way I can listen to the show but talk to you guys at the same time. I'm actually watching Fear the Walking Dead. So, and you only have to use one at a time if you want, which is great because I don't really think that I want both ears plugged in, especially because I'm trying to have a conversation with you guys and watch TV and do my wig styling all at the same time. So that's what I'm talking about when I like really multitask. I'm like really great at multitasking. And who out there besides myself watches Walking Dead and Fear the Walking Dead? Definitely been into these shows since they've aired, since day one. I've been a #1 fan. So this season is the last final season of The Walking Dead, which kind of trips me out because it's been 11 years and now what am I supposed to watch? I'm definitely catching up on Fear the Walking Dead. It's on season 6 on Hulu that I'm watching right now, and I've loved Morgan since day one on The Walking Dead, but I'm pretty sure that this too is going to come to a halt after a while. But you know, hey, all good things do have to come to an end, I guess. Eventually. Alright, you guys, so I'm ready to reveal these curls. You know, I just put some couple of spritz of my favorite hairspray in it, and let's try this. Like, let's see how this held up. Let's see how it's styled. The length, I didn't want the curls so tight. This is going to be a slay for 2022, the first slay. Okay, all right, so we got some curls popping. I'm telling you, this hairspray is the hairspray to have. You can get this hairspray anywhere, Walmart, but you know, I love Amazon, so I try to save myself trips to the store sometimes, and you know. Alright, you guys, so this is it for Myfirstwig's wig. Okay, she's cute, she is affordable, she's natural looking, she came through, wig grip and all, feels super comfortable. You don't feel it when you're wearing it. This one is bound to keep your scalp breathable and less moisture. And I didn't do anything to this but just, you know, spritz the sides down because I love the sideburn hairs, and that's that. New favorite tools, girl. New favorite tools, Amazon Prime. This is a blow drying brush. I know I have another one that is like more of a detachable one, but this one here is a million times better in my opinion. $35. You can't beat it. Super duper hot, and it lessened the curls for me. It kind of like took the curls down because I didn't want them so tight like I stated. But check out the information down below in the description box. I'm gonna let y'all go, and on that note, I will see y'all in another video 2022. I hope you guys have an amazing new year. Stay blessed, stay diva and divolicious, and I'll definitely see you guys on the next one. Bye.